Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, let's learn how we can create X account. First thing first, launch your browser. You can also do it via your X application, but if you are using your browser, type in x.com. Once done, you will see sign up with Google, Apple, or create account. If you already have your Google account, which you would like to create account from, you may go ahead tap on sign up with Google, and this is one of the easiest ways. So let's go ahead tap sign up with Google. Once you do that, it will give you a bunch of all the Google accounts that you have saved in your device itself. Choose anyone that you would like to move forward with. Wait for this to load. And then you will see the date of birth. Go ahead, type in your date of birth and make sure that there is no age restriction, like you should be over 16 or something. And here, this is what your username will look like. If you would like to customize it, go ahead, do that. And once it is so, select next. And you can also allow notification, but I'm gonna skip this for now. Select anything that you would like. This is just for the starting of your account. It'll ask you to follow somebody. Let's just follow random people. Wait for it to load. You will see that your initial on your top left hand side, and you will also see your username. And this is how you can create yourself a X account. Thank you for watching.